building here. And then I showed you that from a little further back, that little water tower thing up there. That's, oh, I actually can't get up into this one. They got this chained off. But that's okay. I can show it to you anyway this way. And then let's cross over the street. Get this cabin. And this one is number 31. And it says Wold, W-O-L-D family, home from 46 to 69. Joanne, one of the daughters, is known for her writing talents, This Old House and Gold City Girl. Okay, so there you go. A little bit of history on that one. So we're going to go check this one out now. All right, so this one is the Tanana Valley Railroad Museum. Exit only there. No bicycles or skateboards. Train rules: no food, no smoking. You must remain seated at all times. Just keep all body parts inside the dock's grounds. Okay. Oh, so this is the little train actually that you can ride. Okay, cool. How you doing? Very good. That's a cool little replica. I like that. It's under the ceiling. Awesome. Let's look at this from around here. It's a train axle. Right there. Then here's just the general park. They got some sort of a golden dome over there. There's an airplane. We'll check out. And here's the playground. Alright. Pretty cool. Alright, so I don't think I got these two little things. These are from the back. I think we can get them from the front as well. I want to show you this on this side. It's a nice bright door. Doesn't have a sign or anything on it, so look at that. It's got the shake shingle type roofing on it. Then you have this little blue place. And it doesn't seem to have a sign on it either. Then they actually have a carousel that you can ride. Alright, pretty neat. There's the boat again. Let's go this way. And there's a couple of cabins I just showed you from the back. This is the front of them. This is called One Love. Authentic Jamaican food. And they're cooking right over there. I can smell it. Actually, it smells pretty good. Okay. Then there's this little place. And I do mean little. It's an education cabin built in '76 by AVBC of Ryan Junior High. Okay. And then, cute little flowers. Then I think I showed you this one from the street, because this is all these big ones over here. Just to show you where we're at. And yeah, I know I got that. Alright, so I'll show you this. See that? And then look at this guy. This is what you hear that woman talking about across the street. How cool is this? Check out this eye. There he is. I think he's all metal. Yep. All metal. Alright, pretty cool. Let's go check out some more of this park now. Let's read this about the impossible journey. You just pause this and yeah, you should be able to see all that. Pause and read that. And here's a picture of the actual boat. And then you can see this. Hopefully. In this picture, those boxes have a bunch of gold. It tells you right down here. And then here is a picture of the whole boat, the Lavelle Young. And then you read that there. And then this is actually showing you the routes and the places, all that stuff there. Okay? This, I guess all that's left of it, this is where the big old wheel is. Let's see. Yeah, there you can see that. So this is the wheelhouse. That sign up there attests. And so this is apparently all that is left of that ship right there. Interesting. Alright, so that building there in front of you, that is the Alaska Santino Center for the Arts. Not sure how good's coming through with this sun, but that's it. Alright, right over here is the folk school. Nice log cabin, as you can see. This guy working, so I won't bother him. It's number 66, and it's closed. So we've got a library. Over there, the little pavilion, it says the square dance. And now here you can see this plane, and it says Air North, I believe. So that's it. This obviously would be its engine that flew it. Fairly good size. It's a Beechcraft Model 18, it says up there on the bottom. The Pioneer Air Museum is to the right there. But here you go. Shot of it from this side with no sun bothering our view. This is this gold building, so this is the Pioneer Air Museum. Alright. And again, that's the playground right over towards there, so we're going to keep going and looking and seeing what else we can find. Alright, so here's the next thing. You see this old jalopy car with all these skull on the front, busted old spare tire there, moose antlers, air horns, shovels, and look at all this stuff just hanging all over it. Saws. There's a milk jug. That tire looks like it's seen better days. So a little bit of everything on this truck, as you can see. And I do mean a little bit of everything. So here, if you want to see the driver's area, there's a steering wheel. Here's a seat. Don't look real comfortable. There's floorboard. Crazy, huh? Very crazy. Here you can see we got a big totem pole right there. See the paintings on that building. And here is another totem pole. Don't have too much on it, but there it is. And the sign there says Native Village. So, looks like the train runs through here. I guess they got this closed off just for the train, for you to see this little bit, I guess. Well, maybe not. It looks like it's actually open here and you can cross. It's the folk school, so they actually offer classes here. It's an amphitheater right there. And then just that little representative building. So, not too much. There is a cool little red bridge. Let's go look at that. Okay, so on the way to the red bridge, just wanted to show you this. I told you there's an amphitheater here, and sure enough, that is exactly what this is. Now you're getting a glimpse of that red bridge. But here's the red bridge right here. There's people walking. Has chained off. Casham St. Michael's. And here you can pause that and read that if you like. You can see it most certainly has a sod roof. Big time sod. And you can definitely see it from this side too. Here, do it this way to get you out of the sun as much as possible. So there's that. And the train track runs on through there. Alright, so to finish up Pioneer Park, you see over there that says Moose Creek, this little picnic table area. And it's all blue, got a blue bridge, I think, going to it. Somebody mowing the grass. Now there's that that airplane museum with that gold roof. Wanted to show it to you from this side so you can see just how big it is and the color of it, hopefully. And a nice setting too with the trees and everything. So we like that. Alright, so that'll pretty much complete the park. So hope you enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share it and all that good stuff. So I'll see you on the next one. Alright, so last thing I want to show you, start here with these flowers. Out there says the SS Tanana. So that's this boat I showed you from several different angles, but since we're going out, I wanted to show it to you from this angle. And you can see when we get past this tree, you can see it's stacked up there and everything. Try to keep you out of the sun as much as I can. And it's pretty long, pretty big. There's this paddle wheel right there. You've got that. So as we get to the end of this paddle wheel, I'm simply going to turn and try to get you an angle. There we go, just like that. All right. Hope you've enjoyed the Pioneer Park. I know I have.